Every day we see people around us getting sick, and the causes for it tell us a lot about our lifestyle. We live in a toxic environment where the foods we eat, the air we breathe, and even the water we drink are contaminated by chemical products. This is, no doubt, the cause for serious diseases. Did you know that all this toxicity overloads our liver? You probably don't even think about it, but you should know that the liver is one of the most complex organs of our body and deserves a lot of care. After all, it works as a filter and has more than 200 functions. One of them is eliminating everything toxic from our bodies. So if the liver doesn't work correctly, nothing else in our body will. It is necessary to know how to choose our foods so we can offer more energy to the liver and lessen its overload whenever we exaggerate in the consumption of fat, alcohol, or toxic foods. Also, did you know that the liver can regenerate itself? To help you with this, we made a list with 7 steps to follow to regenerate your liver. 1. Eat artichoke. Used to treat digestive issues, this herb has some properties that help digest the fats and reduce the fat blood levels, aiding in the control of fat in the liver. 2. Drink lemon water. Drinking lemon water in fast is great for your body and liver. Have you watched the video about the benefits of this powerful combination? Click here to learn more. Lemon stimulates the release of digestive enzymes and facilitates the removal of toxins, which also detoxes the liver. It is rich in vitamin C, very important for the synthesis of glutathione. 3. Eat apples. This fruit helps release the toxins through the digestive tract, which reduces the workload of the liver and helps keep it clean. 4. Drink boldo tea. Boldo is another herb that works as an excellent homemade medicine to treat fatty or enlarged liver. It has properties that improve the secretion of bile produced in the liver and alleviate nausea and abdominal pains and discomfort. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. 5. Include milk thistle in your routine. The active compound of milk thistle, known as silymarin, is responsible for protecting the liver, used ever since the Middle Ages to treat the liver. This plant has potent hepatoprotective and antioxidant properties, promoting the growth of new hepatic cells. Also, many scientific studies have proven its beneficial effects on the treatment of damages caused by alcohol, drugs, medications, and others. 6. Include malate magnesium in your supplements. Malate magnesium is one of the most important minerals for health because it is found in almost every organ in the body, including the liver. It reduces any heavy metals that may build up in the body, and also the risk of developing health conditions such as liver damage and brain disorders like Alzheimer's. And if that wasn't enough, malate magnesium doesn't have any contraindications, and its benefits can be felt right in the first few days of use. How amazing is that? 7. Sleep before 11 p.m. Do you know why you need to sleep before 11 p.m.? Because it is from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. that your liver and gallbladder work on the organic cleaning of tissues, processing cholesterol, and improving brain function. Did you know that this is the time for the maximum detoxifying and blood cleansing capacity of the body? Because of that, it is important to go to bed by at least 10 p.m. so that your body can concentrate on eliminating toxins. When these things don't work as they should, the liver can't do its job correctly, and it causes a lot of stress and anxiety. So, if you have liver issues, follow these 7 steps to regenerate your liver and have a much better quality of life. Try it, then share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.